Hi friends, today is the video of Mahzooz draw prediction which is drawing on 25th June 2022. Friends, my 16 powerful numbers out of 49. From 1 to 9 I have 3 numbers. Number 1 is 1, then 6 and 9. From 10 to 19 I have also 3 numbers, 12, 16 and 17. From 20 to 29 I have 2 numbers, 21 and 26. From 30 to 39 I have 4 numbers, 32, 35, 36 and 37. From 40 to 49 I have 4 numbers, 42, 40, 45 and 48. In my previous video I was told you these two serials has great chances in this draw from 30 to 49. You should select your maximum numbers from 30 to 49. 3 or 4 numbers should come between 30 to 49. I have also told you in my previous video and show you with proof. You should select 3 odd numbers and 2 even numbers. Okay friends, if you want to play the repeated number from previous result 13, 30, 38, 41 and 44. If you want to play repeated number, then these two numbers 30 and 44. 30 and 44. These two numbers can repeat in our coming draw. Okay friends, it is also my golden number list 30. Number 1 is 30 and number 2 is 26. These two numbers has great chances. Number 1 is 30 and 26. 30 and 26. These are my golden number for this draw. In this prediction I will give you my two powerful lines. But it is only for this draw. If you like, you can select these lines. Number 1 is 6, 26, 30, 35 and 45. Second one is 9, 26, 32, 37 and 45. Friends, these are my two lines only for this prediction. Okay friends, so this is my overall prediction. If you like any number from it, you can choose. If you don't like, you can leave it. So good luck to all and goodbye.